Well, here we go, another long line of chicken recipes from me, Mr. Lewis. There's 6 breasts on the go, 6 breasts. I'm going to wait. Right, what was I saying? We're doing it. I'm going to use curry powder and chicken soup all over the pepper breasts. And I'll cut them, I think. Right, here we go. Get the soup in. It's a broth, actually. I thought it'd be like the main stuff. Chicken soup. This goes over that. Looks like Scotch broth. My gran used to make. Right, here you go. I've added curry powder and a bit of cream. It's not cream really, it's milk. But here you go. That's gonna be lush. I'm re-frying. Do you know what that is? Let's have a look. There you go, I just turned it over. It's what's that cheese, that Italian sausage? It's a mozzarella. Really out of date one. And chopped it up in thin bit. But it all melted. Alright. Burnt it off for nice and crisp. Yeah. Burnt crisp cheese. Lovely. There you go. It's about halfway through now. It's been nice. Right, there it is. They're doing another thing over here as well. And these things won't be left because I've engorged them. I'll get them mozzarella.